Ever wondered how to turn your LinkedIn connections into potential clients? Hi, I'm James Billings, your go-to guy for all things LinkedIn lead generation. Today, we're diving into the world of LinkedIn lead generation tools and software. Now, before we get started, if you're new here or haven't done so yet, please hit that subscribe button. It's a small click for you, but a huge help for our community. And don't forget to ring that bell so you never miss out on our latest content. LinkedIn, as we all know, is a goldmine for leads. But mining that gold requires the right tools and software. Today, we're going to explore some of the best ones out there and how you can use them to supercharge your lead generation efforts. We'll be looking at tools that can help you automate your outreach, track your leads, and even analyze your LinkedIn performance. Whether you're a small business owner, a marketing professional, or just someone looking to boost your LinkedIn presence, this video is for you. Remember, the key to successful lead generation is not just about having the right tools, but knowing how to use them effectively. And that's exactly what I'm here to help you with. So let's dive in and start turning those connections into clients. Monologue continues. And that's a wrap for today's video on LinkedIn lead generation tools and software. I hope you found it informative and helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, don't hesitate to drop a comment below. I'm always here to help. And if you want to learn more about LinkedIn lead generation, feel free to reach out to me. I'd be more than happy to share my knowledge and experience with you. Remember, the journey to successful lead generation is a marathon, not a sprint. So keep learning, keep experimenting, and most importantly, keep connecting. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. And as always, thank you for watching. Until next time, this is James Billings, signing off. Stay connected.